AEPpeter.com is marketed as an online store offering kitchen gadgets, cookware, and household products at attractive prices. The website showcases modern designs and frequent discounts. But the real question is, can you trust this kitchen store? Now, to be fair, many online kitchen retailers legitimately sell useful products at competitive prices. A newer online store isn't automatically untrustworthy, but it's still important to do your research. What it does well: wide selection of kitchen products. The store offers a variety of cookware, utensils, storage solutions, and kitchen accessories. Competitive pricing. Frequent sales and discounts can make many products appear to be good value. Where the hype falls apart, product quality may vary. The materials, durability, and finish may not always match what's shown in the product photos. Shipping times can differ. Depending on where products are shipped from, delivery may take longer than expected. Return policies deserve careful review. Before placing an order, understand the refund process, return conditions, and whether you'll need to pay for return shipping. So, should you buy from AEPpeter.com? Short answer: maybe, but research first. If you find a product you like and you're comfortable with the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.